Hey, Groove Funnel peeps. So I am Mike, the marketing medic, and I've been looking at the Groove Funnels Facebook group, and I see there's a lot of people on there struggling with making affiliate sales. And I want to help you understand why that might be. Okay, so what Groove Funnels does is they provide you with all these really cool tools like swipes and blog reviews and banners and all this stuff that are super valuable, but they're more valuable for an experienced affiliate marketer, somebody who has a list, somebody who has an audience who is a lot more aware. Okay, and so that's what I want to talk to you about, your audience's level of awareness. Now, the reason I signed up for Groove was because I've had a Clickfunnels account for like 5 or 6 years. I've had a Kartra account for the last year and a half or so. And I know exactly what each of those platforms do. I know exactly what their limitations are, and I know exactly what I'm paying, okay? So when I was exposed to Groove, I was very aware of my situation and how Groove can provide a solution that I'm looking for, okay? And so that's why I signed up, because of my awareness of the industry. I already have a Kartra account. I already have a Clickfunnels account. I know I can replace them both with Groove Funnels. Okay. Now, so what you guys need to think about though is your audience, most of the people that you're trying to expose this offer to, isn't as aware, right? They don't know what their problems are, so they're not actively looking for a solution. So let me give you a sort of a metaphor for that. Okay. Now I'm in an MLM company. It's called Isogenics. It's a weight loss company. And I think 90 to 100% of us out there, we all want to lose weight or we want to get a little bit healthier, right? And Isogenics can do that for you. So given that you're in that top 90 to 100%, you probably want to lose weight or get healthier. So what if I said, hey, I don't know you. You've never heard of me. You know nothing about my story. Why don't you go to my Isogenics page and buy my Isogenics product? Okay. And I'll send you this link. What are the odds of you signing up here? Like, I'm not knocking this image, but it probably doesn't resonate with you, right? And down here, like, you don't know, like, what am I supposed to do? There's a picture of me, so that's good. So there's a little bit of information here, but you're probably not going to buy, you're definitely not going to buy Isogenics. So what I did instead was I targeted an audience who has a problem. And I created a page that I call, and this isn't on Groove yet because I just signed up for Groove a few days ago, but here's the thing. So I'm targeting dad bods. I'm targeting men over 50, people like me, right? So here's my opening line. 50-year-old retired paramedic refuses to accept dad bod, and I implemented a simple solution. Okay, so I've called out my audience, 50-year-old men who have dad bod. Okay, and I say, quit falling prey to the calories in, calories out myth. So I'm agitating their problem, right? And I'm helping them understand that cellular cleansing, that releases the toxins, it burns the fat, turns back the clock without the need for any extreme willpower or giving up the food and drinks you love, okay? Because that's, for me, I love eating, I love drinking. So I don't want to stop doing that stuff. So this sounds like it might be a solution for me. So I'm a little bit intrigued. Then I've got a video sales letter here, and then I've got a free offer, right? I've got this this Dad Bod Denied book download. And I'm going to, dispel these 3 myths: that having a dad bod is okay, that your wife or girlfriend likes your dad bod. No, they don't. Myth number 3, calories in, calories out. Calories 4, you have to exercise to lose weight. Okay. So I'm getting into all of their false limiting beliefs. I'm getting into their problems, and I'm saying what the solution is cellular cleansing. Okay. And then I show you what it did for my wife and I. Okay. And then when you click on this link, and you download my book, then you're taken to my thank you page. Okay. Thank you page is here. Another VSL. So now I'm not selling cellular cleansing anymore because I've already got you understanding that you want to do cellular cleansing. Now what I'm saying is that if you want to do cellular cleansing easy, then you want to do Isogenics. Okay. And in the video, I explain how Isogenics works, and it's explained here in this long form copy. It's explained in the book that you downloaded why you want to do cellular cleansing. Okay. And again, the easiest way to do that, and I've convinced you with all of my copy and videos here, is to order my Isogenics product. Okay. And so that's the end, right? I've explained what your problem is. Your problem is that you're a 50-year-old male. You've tried every diet. It doesn't work. You've counted calories. You suck at that. You have to drink beer on the weekends, and you're looking for a solution. Well, Isogenics is the solution. So now I can bring you to my affiliate page, and I've actually got a video that walks you through how to order. Okay. So it makes it really easy. So that's what you guys got to think about, right? You guys got to think about is who your audience is, what is their problem, and how can you help them? Okay. So if the broader you go, the more education that you need. So if you can find an audience with a specific problem where Groove provides the solution, then you're going to have a lot better odds of making a sale. Okay, so just look at all the different things that Groove does. Like this is how Clickfunnels launched in the beginning, right? They're one of the first funnel builders. So what Russell said is that, hey, I used to spend all this time hiring coders it would take like weeks or months to build a funnel for me, but then I would still have to link in like an autoresponder and link in my e-commerce and do all this stuff. And it was just a lot of work. And so now I've created Clickfunnels and it does it all in one, right? Well, Clickfunnels is archaic now, right? They haven't advanced in the last 5 years. And so GrooveFunnels is a solution to Clickfunnels because it's not archaic. And a couple of problems that Clickfunnels has that GrooveFunnels doesn't is one, video hosting. Like that's a super expensive thing. One of my clients is spending $560 a month on Wistia right now, just to host his videos there. Wouldn't it be great if he could host his videos in Groove, right? With Clickfunnels now, you got to pay extra for sending emails. You got to pay the SMT. You don't have to do that here, right? So there's solutions that GrooveFunnels has to problems that people are experiencing, but you have to find that audience and explain to them about their problem and explain why Groove is the solution. Okay, so this is what you want to think of, guys. You want to create a bridge page. This is what this is called. So the bridge page is something you can build in your GrooveFunnels account that calls out your specific audience. Okay, so maybe you think GrooveFunnels is great for personal trainers, right? Then call them out and say, hey, with Groove, you can have an email autoresponder that you can send emails out to your clients. You can have all your video lessons hosted right there in the membership area, right? So you could create a page like this targeting personal trainers and why GrooveFunnels is the solution that they're looking for because their WordPress is getting hacked all the time. They're paying to have their videos hosted somewhere else, or they're on YouTube and they're not secure, and they're also paying for an email autoresponder. They can get all that together with Groove. Okay. So anyway, guys, I hope that wasn't too long-winded. I hope that helps you understand why just sending the swipe files out to a super broad audience who doesn't understand their pain points isn't working for you, and why you want to really niche it down and have a much tighter message. All right, gang, I hope that helps, and look forward to seeing your comments. Okay, bye-bye.